Welcome to another video. You're here because you want to know about the Textbot.ai technology. You want to know, is this something I could use for my business? Is it something that actually works? And pretty much, I'm not going to show you a screen share right now because when you click the link below, fill out your information, you're literally going to go through a walkthrough. So it'll be pointless of me wasting time, right? But anyways, the reason why I like the TextBot, and this is updated from the Abundance Network System. This is the Abundance Network System updated. Now it's called the TextBot. The interface is crazy. But why I always like this technology is, one, yes, you have a link with a semi-built-in capture page. It just collects the number and walks them through everything else. But the fact that you can also share just a phone number is crucial. It's crucial. I'm going to get to how you can promote it with your own business, but it's very crucial because, you know, some places it gets sketchy with posting links, and some places people pass through links. So now you have a number. A lot of people want to call or attempt to call. You have a number to send people through, and she's going to close. For example, let's just say we go through the link. The CEO is going to walk you through the system. Pretty much, you're going to fill out your number. He's going to ask you a few questions, and he's going to get the prospect all the way down to the buy. Literally, are you ready to buy? Are you ready to buy now? Send the money here. Text. And he's integrated the craziest feature in the back office. So say you're in the back office somehow, or you run through the back office when you get a notification. While AI is texting your prospect, you can hop in the chat and add your own messages real time. So while the prospect is maybe on their phone or computer, doesn't matter, but they're going through the system, text AI back like, okay, say, for example, what is this? You can add different keywords that people may ask through text, and then you can set up where AI gives a response back, you know, in cases you just think something outside that somebody might ask. So while they say, hey, for example, what is this? AI maybe says, I don't know what you mean because you didn't write that exact keyword. And you can hop into the conversation and post a message. It'll go. They think they're still talking to AI. It's just some crazy technology. So now to fast forward to why someone, you know, not only that wants to make an extra income, but someone that wants to promote their primary business. So for example, let's say someone gets in the AI system, they grab it. When they go to their back office, they're going to see your offer. Hey, this is your sponsor's primary business. This is what they do primarily. This is their number one go-to. So if you get in, someone obviously gets in, say, so they're promoting this like crazy, but this is what they really, really make money in, etc. And there's also a feature, I'm not sure, it should be still back there, but everything's getting updated as we speak. But there was also a feature when someone says, for example, they say, no, I'm not ready to buy. AI said, okay, well, here's the person's primary business. Check it out. But man, the way this system has upgraded since from I started, which is almost a year now, I think it's probably coming up to a year. It's crazy. Even the analytics, you can have personal tracking links, you know, to the link to your page. You can put personal tracking links, email swipes, and he runs campaigns for traffic. And this is why I come on and I pretty much just talk freestyle, because when you talk freestyle, the real is going to come out. You know what I mean? When someone's really not for sure, they freeze. That's just one take this. I'm not even going to edit. That's just one take this. I'll say the text box system right now is going to be crucial. The amount of technology for the amount it costs to get started is 0 to none. Right to the point. So say you're a guy that purchases phone leads. What better offer to send my phone leads is an offer that converts highly through the phone. Hey, give me a call. Hey, ringless voice drops. I know I said I wasn't going to cut, but I had to cut that because I think my memory ran out and it closed down. But hey, ringless voice drops. Give me a call at this number versus telling them to have to go to a link. But since memory is low, I will finish this very quick and say, check out the link below, and I'll even leave the number below on the Textbot system. Hopefully this is on the first page so you can get a real nice review, you know, straight to the point, all words, and enjoy the system below yourself. Even if you do not get started or, you know, don't decide to purchase, just enjoy the system and see technology and where this affiliate marketing space is going to with these tools. But have a great day, guys. Subscribe to the channel and give us a thumbs up. And it's going to be a great summer.